Greetings, I'm Vincent. I would like to invite all the customer and partner to join this celebration moment. As this year we are in the 16 years of anniversary. For those who are being business with us for so long, then you know that as usual, we will be coming out with some form of a give and take back to the market. That in the way that we can help or enabling the customer to perform something that we believe that will be help them one way or another. So in this year, we can working out with those the supplier that who are willing to provide mini workshop. I use the word mini workshop because that they have only one single purpose, to be transfer a skill to the customer within 2 hours while the workshop work lab basic. That means that specific customer, he will learn something either before he don't know how to do, then by going through this 2 hours in the hands-on lab, he end up will be able to perform something he never know it can be performed. So we call it workshop. But of course, now we are in the COVID-19 pandemic. We cannot doing physical. That it can mean that I can make it become a longer section. But we just concentrate on single skill at a time. For instance, how to perform secure code review, right? From the start the page to generate the report. For instance, how can we perform the service virtualization testing, and as well as perform the API testing, as well as, let's say, like perform the mainnet exploit on the web form, etc., etc. All those things we hope we may able to be cooperate with our trusted business partner to be offer you in the form of a fully sponsored by eSpin and our supplier, that to be in the joint training basic for your for the customer. That means that we will be also at the end of the particular section, we will issue you the joint certificate to endorse you on that you are unique, able to perform certain skill. So let's to enjoy the section that we are prepared and coordinate with all the suppliers who are willing to provide you this more enabling and more empowerment kind of the workshop, instead of make you to be in the very passive 1 hour long webinar that you may not be able to really in the end of the day able to perform something at your end. So once again, I would like to thank you for the customer and the supplier. We hope you again have another good year together.